خلاص. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أعزائي طلاب الصف الثاني المتوسط بمجمع مدارس جيل المستقبل الأهلية، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. يسرني أن أقدم دروس في قواعد اللغة الإنجليزية عن الفعل الماضي المستمر. فعلى بركة الله نبدأ. The past progressive tense. The past progressive tense construct from subject plus was or were, one of them plus the main verb plus ing. تكون الفعل الماضي المستمر من فاعل زائد was أو were حسب الضمير المستخدم زائد الفعل الأساسي مختوم ب ing. This refers to the distribution of the pronouns. وهذا يرجع إلى نوعية الضمير المستخدم. لذلك يتم تقسيم الضمائر إلى مجموعتين. Distribute the pronouns into two parts. The first one, the pronouns with the pronouns I, أنا, he, هو, she, هي, it. الضمير الغير العاقل نستخدم was. With the pronoun I, he, she, it, we use was. Second, with the pronouns we, نحن, you, أنت, they, هم نستخدم were. With the pronoun we, you, they, we use were. Now we are going to use this verb in the progressive form. الآن يمكننا استخدام هذه الأفعال في صياغة الفعل الماضي المستمر. Look at this example. Number 1, I was playing football last week. 2, he was listening to the music. 3, we are studying English. Now look here to the words that end in ing, and here we use the green and the red color here to indicate the additional word to express the formation. Now look here at this example. I want you to choose the correct answer. Number 1, they were two boys dots tennis yesterday. Number A, play. Number B, playing. Number C, played. Number D, plays. So here the right answer is number B, because this verb include ing. هنا الإجابة الصحيحة هي إجابة B لوجود ing في نهاية الفعل. Number 2, she does cooking fish 3 days ago. Number A, are. Number B, where. Number C, is. Number D, was. The correct answer here is was. From these two examples, we indicate that they are two testable areas. In the first example, here we meet the main verbs. الجملة الأولى حذفنا الفعل الأساسي، الفعل الذي يختم ب ing, as we see in number B, playing. In the second example, المثال الثاني, here we meet the helping verb was, and we provide the verb that end in ing, the main verb. لاحظ الفرق ما بين الخيار الأول والثاني. هنا الفعل اللي مختوم ب ing حذف كما في be playing. في المثال الثاني أتي بالفعل الذي ختم ب ing وتم حذف the helping verb. This refers to the distribution of the pronouns such as I, he, she, it with was, and we, you, they with were. Okay, now this is exercise. We want you to choose also the correct answer. He does reading English story. Is, was, are, where. Here the correct answer is number B, because look at the pronouns he. الإجابة الصحيحة هنا B وجود ضمير he. Number 2, I was my friend yesterday. Here the right answer is number C, because when we find was, we choose the verb that end in ing. Number 4, she was does her room yesterday clean. A, clean. B, C, cleaning. D, cleans. So here the right answer also number C, because the word included ing. In the last example, Khalid does going to the park last week. Was. A, B, is. C, are. B, where. And the correct answer is number A, because with he or she and it we use was, also with the proper nouns such as Khalid, Ahmed, Ali, and so on. Thank you for your listening. في الختام نشكر تفاعلكم معنا على المنصة الخاصة بالمجمع للتدريب على مزيد من التمارين، استقبال استفساراتكم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته.